is Gabby. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do Bantu knots. I naturally have really straight fine hair, so we'll see how these come out. So to begin, I did start off by parting my hair the way I want it to fall. Then you will just grab the first section. It doesn't matter how big or small. It'll really just depend on how tight or loose you want your curls to be. And so once you have your hair section off, you're going to start by just twisting the full strand on the same direction. So once you've twisted about halfway down your hair, depending on the length of your hair, you're going to twist it the opposite way to create a really tight small bun. So here we have our first bun done. We're just going to tie it off with either an elastic or a bobby pin, whatever you would prefer, and then just do the same exact step to the remainder of your hair. So here we finally finished putting our entire hair into Bantu knots. So now you will just go to sleep with them on, and then I'll see you here back in the morning. So here I've already went ahead and gotten dressed and ready. All we're gonna do is just unravel all the knots. And for some reason my camera did just stop recording here, but what I ended up doing was just taking down all the remainder of the buns, running my fingers through them just to loosen up the curls, and here are the end results. So for someone with naturally straight hair all the time, I really enjoyed how these curls came out. And thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and definitely subscribe for more.